Musumbi William Ruto nuneethiiwe na uneenani enenthi kikaloni cha ngwatanio ya mbunge ya senete na ile ya kati yiulu wa undu withiitwe ekite mwaka umwe itina usakuani wa mwaka muvitu. Ruto niueleisye maundu kauta wikite kwivo kutheesya ngalama ya mikalile na kwa kunenga aimi mbolea ya thoa munini aimi maima na mathoa mali umatheya ya serikali yake yimukondoni ula wailite wa kwailia ukwati wanthi mwenenthi nukwitikilana na uneni na niueleisye niguo tukwatianie nake Benjamin Mwaka nthini wa Ikumbi ya Siasa.
President William Ruto wakana na mbungeni kunenga na ripoti ya Uthukumi wake muno yiulu wa mwena wa nthi kimaendeleo na maundu ala isilite kuvikia oyu kwenana na president kivalua chake chambe kinena alikuwa ofisini chae kuvetanga muvwavwano kisomoni cha matukwa cha CBC na ungu wa kisomo. Nthina wa mwaka umwe serikali ni nandikia alimu 5,500 na kwa lula walanywa kwa ilovia kwa amaniwa kisomoni cha yiulu.
Within weeks of taking office, I appointed the Presidential Working Party on Education Reform led by Professor Raphael Munavu, who provided clarity on transition to the new competence-based curriculum. In keeping with our commitment, 56,750 new teachers have been employed. At the tertiary level, the Working Party recommended an overhaul of the existing education funding framework to a variable scholarship and loan model.
Livotini ya Musumbi kwa mbunge kivalua chake kinene cha kwa ilia kinandu cha ngova kivyasala kwanzia inawithianu cha Hustler Fund la kwa kufikia oyu bilioni 330 ikovetwe na kuna mamilioni ma enenthi na ingi kwenana na Musumbi ni kana kufikia oyu muvangono wa serikali wa numba mbewa enenthi 5,000 alamata na ivaluani oyume mawuyani ma imwe kwa imwe kana kivyasala maunduni ma numba.
The public response to the Hustler Fund has exceeded most initial projections and surprised even the most hardened skeptics. By the end of last month, the fund had disbursed Kenya shillings 36.6 billion and in savings 2.3 billion and with 7.5 million repeat borrowers. The construction of 46,792 units in various parts of Kenya is already underway, while another 40,000 are ready to commence in a couple of weeks. 50,000 Kenyans are working. People who were previously unemployed, they are now engaged directly and indirectly in this enterprise.
No mwaina muvitu vala serikali inambizyo walanywa uitinduani kuisla CHPs zila president wetie ni ya kuikithia nenthi. Ndimasesewa kumana mauma yala mesa idhiumilia vindani oseni haundu mwana kwa ile kinandu cha witi cha NHIF.
Under the Afya Nyumbani model, we identified preventive care as an essential pillar of healthcare service delivery because it enables Kenyans to manage their conditions early enough before they cause serious harm in their well-being and productivity. Community health promotion is our bottom-up intervention to deliver preventive and promotive health solutions at the grassroots by deploying community health promoters to visit Kenyans at their homes, provide basic diagnosis for common conditions, and refer cases to appropriate medical facilities.
President William Ruto hinginu wetie wemi na ngethanthino wa mwaka umwe ni wailile kwisila kunaikisya imimbolea na kitumine kiyo na mathoa mamutu masokoni wenthe kuisianiwa na serikali ni mbitu ingeno uthingilile serikali thina ngitha muthiano wa mwai ukite mauthukumi onthe mayo kwikiwa mutandaoni na yu president henda enenthi methiwa na mwikio kana umituki mawatho onthe ma serikali ya Kenya kwanza ivindani ya kampeni nimekwania aiweta nthi aimiosa ya ivathuku kwisila mathie na mikovo mingi kuma nthi sianza ila uende kuiva o kavola kwa kavola.
Our farmers are the best people to speak about the success of the fertilizer program. We identified 3 primary challenges: external shocks, fiscal distress, and structural imbalance that heavily strained our economy, causing nationwide difficulty. The new direction may not be easy, but it is ethical, responsible, prudent, and most importantly, necessary. We've had to take hard decisions and make painful choices because we owe it to the people of Kenya to do the right thing and to confront facts as they are without flinching or equivocating. We have expanded digital provision of public services to encompass 13,000 services to date. And it is my commitment to ensure full digitization by the end of next month.
Ndio na uovo uneni wa Musumbi withiitwe kithimini kinene atete mulengoni wa Azimio metataka na president na nene athina munene wa kwambata kwa vei wa mauta na ngalama yiulu ya mikalile meiweto uneni wake unai onge wa nthi tena uniko kwa enenthi vala na mwanyanya mo kuma ukambala me serikali ni meenda Azimio nenge serikali mwana kuthukuma na ithu wanaumisyo wakana maundu nimeusova nthini wa ivindete Siasa yukite.
Speech ya Musumbi ni ya fall short kutabia mwene ndi ati kutheesya ngalama ya maisha hata
ikiambeza ano mibikoni no kusenya court nundu maketha mena capacity ya kwiva court. If you tax people who have no capacity to pay, they will never pay the tax.
Ngalama ya mauta yiulu muno nitukuona Tanzania mauta menzi, nitukuona Uganda maana atlie contract ya kusapula mauta ni Kenya nikuminikana tuende nai
wathindukani ndo kwa speech nzeo wethi kwa kila kwenda ni mutu kwenda ni mauto kwenda ni zukali kwenda ni nguo kwenda paike ndukinthi animo lakini andu maikwenda kutabu ai kubikia busindu cieneke na mubango la wina utekaze kule bina tupangire tuyabango muno mbaitu
tatu yamwe ma Kenya nitwethumya thine nituonete matunda ma serikali uno twambiye muno na maundu ma uimi
kindu ngwiwa mwone ati oundu we wanena na wananchi twimanza kura no wo kuma kuneona uyu akamakulia ati mwende hata na ningona bailie na isu ni ishara nzeo ya Musumbi
uno wo mwaka wambe report yambe inoti report from thuku ya kwinuka natho twa museiti lolunga wanatho ni report nzeo
ni Ikumbi ya Siasa dilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma va musino wa ilovi nito Benjamin mwaka.